Hello once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Go Steelers. All right, going well. This one is 6, right? I don't know if you can see that. Let me put that on there. 6-time Super Bowl champions. Going for 7 this weekend. Anyway, go Steelers. But outside of that, I'm not going to do the song like I did last time. I know. I've got a lot of people telling me to do the video that you did before, but I'm going to let it go. I'm just going to say go Steelers this time. I had fun doing it last time. But remember, I had that big old beard going on last time, too. I had fear of the beard like Brett Kiesel, right? Anyway, what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the early bird list today, and I want to talk about the TCB product that's coming out and the SSM Pro and our E-mini and multiple markets and all the other different components that are coming out. We're getting ready to offer, for the first time this year, we're opening up our trading room. We haven't opened it up for about 6 months now. We've been a private trading room, and I like it that way because I'm able to train a little bit better. I don't have people at different levels of training, and I'm able to have a lot more one-on-one time with the traders that I'm working with. We're getting ready to open up the doors to 10 new traders here. This is a 90-day plan, and more importantly, this is going to be a lifetime membership for those that are coming into this. So that's kind of the good news here, is that it's going to be a lifetime membership that has a monthly subscription attached to it, a very reasonable small amount that I'm sure that you'll agree when you see it. It's very reasonable. And for a lifetime membership, I believe that I haven't found a better deal out there as far as you being able to pick my brain of 25 years of experience and so forth, and being able to take advantage of the opportunity that's going to present yourself here. The launch date is Thursday. And for the early bird people that come and looking at the early bird list, you're going to have access to this an hour prior to everyone else, or maybe even 2 hours when it's all said and done. So roughly at the early bird list people here, about 2 p.m. we're going to open up to our early bird list, and then from there about 3 or 4 p.m. Eastern time we're going to open up to the general public if we haven't sold out through the early bird list, which right now it looks like probably sell out at the early bird list, and then just have to wait the 90 days. Now I am planning on offering this course a couple more times this year, once in this spring to summer, and another going late summer to fall. So we've got 3 of these scheduled for this year. Definitely 2, hopefully 3 this year. And if it's only 2, then the next one will be in the fall, and it'll go mid-August to mid-November will be the next time frame. This time frame that you're looking at is going to go from basically mid-February, or basically you're looking at roughly the first trading day of the room would be February 8th. Although with you getting access to it on Thursday, you're going to get to come in on the room on Friday and get access to. So anybody that is and the reason that I have to break it out like this is that Friday is the last trading day of the week for the group that's in right now. So I'm going to give you a link for the last day. I'm looking at my calendar up here. So that'll be when you do come in, I'll get that link to you so that you can sign up, and then you'll get a new link through the roundtable. Hey, the membership that you have, you'll see it in there, and you'll be able to just sign up for it. And like you'll see, the trading calendars in there. But some of the good news, you're going to get access not only to the TCB product, but the special bonus right now is the SSM Pro, or our Sheet Sword Method Pro version of this particular strategy is also going to be available to you. Plus the subscription, plus my time, all is for a very, very small, I believe a very small price, and it's certainly under $1,999, so I'm underneath that price. I'll give you that much. Everyone's been asking, what's the price? And the price is still a little bit hidden out there. I want to keep it out there, but I think when you see the value that you're going to get, I think you're going to be excited about it. So, I know you're going to be excited about it. There's no doubt in my mind that this won't sell out in probably in a short few hours once I open it up. With that being said, some of the books, well, actually I want to talk about the PDF file that you're going to see now. Just like all our other website pages, like you did on the early bird list, I've got some documentation out here, me talking on the right hand side of the video, and then more of a video going 15 minutes long, I believe, on the Knights of the Round Table, giving a lot more information out there for you to do, just to take in. And I hope to get that out to you as far as the early bird list people. I hope to have that ready to go, hopefully within maybe as early as today, hopefully by tomorrow, so that you can go through it, but certainly by Thursday or late Wednesday night. So right now we're looking at most likely Wednesday night when that'll open up so that you can take a look at it, and then actually physically open the doors on Thursday for this product. As far as what we're looking at now, this is a PDF that I put together here, printed off. It's 10 pages long. It's just basically, I call it more than just sales copy, right? But it goes over a lot of the details of what you're going to receive as a lifetime member here. And you know, we've got some testimonials and all kinds of other information in here. Go and talk about all kinds of benefits for you, and obviously the price is in here as well, right? But the price is going to be on the website page when we put it up as well, so no worries there. Books that I talk about, I will give you a little hint. Some of the books that I believe in, Trading as a Business. I don't know, let me get that in there so you can see it right. Joe Ross, Trading as a Business. Not that we're going to go through this book, which I believe is a high quality book if you can afford to get this into your trader's library. I think that retail price is around 150 or so, but I have a link on the PDF file, so all you do is click it and you can go straight to it if you want to go ahead and get that in your arsenal in your library. Another book that I highly recommend is The Law of Success. Now you can get this really cheap on Amazon right now. I've got it linked up on my PDF file if you want to go ahead and use this. It's a huge book. It's 1,000 pages long, but I got this book right here, and this was a used book in really good condition. I got it for less than $10 with shipping and handling and everything. Not that you need this book, but you know, I'm a big proponent on self-help and motivational books. This is take some of the ideas from here. This is what we're working with, by the way, in my Millionaire Mind Shift group that's separate and apart from my trading. But that's anyway. So where am I standing on time right now? Oh, y'all see that? 6-time Super Bowl champions. Getting ready for number 7. Sorry, Packers. You're going to have to pack it in and go home. Steelers are coming into town. Anyway, Dallas, Texas. If I wasn't so busy right now, I think I would have went there. But anyway, love to be there. Love to be there. You know, I'm just excited. I'm extremely excited to bring in this new trading class. I'm excited for you to start learning and start making some money and start learning how to trade properly and using a trading plan, using proper money management, using good risk management assessment, and so forth. And I'm just utterly thrilled at the response I've been getting, and I'm looking so much forward to working with you, each one of you on an individual basis and also as a group. Now, what's so special about the Knights of the Round Table is not only the group environment, but the one-on-one environment that you're going to get as well. That's why I kind of closed my doors down, and originally is that I'm not marketing to the mass public. I don't want to be a vendor. I don't want to be one of those guys. It's every 3 months coming out with the new latest greatest bread slicer out there and marketing to you know, trying to sell 1,000 units at a time. That's just not the way I really want to operate my business, and frankly, I don't need to. So there's other people out there that if that's what you want, you know, maybe I can guide you that way, of people that I trust and respect in the business. Now, I'm a trader first, and that's what I enjoy doing. Do I have losing trading days? Yes, I have losing trading days. Today, February 1st, was a losing trading day. So we do have, and I know I went 5 for 5 on the video that you've seen. If you've watched it, or if you're getting ready to watch it, I went 5 for 5 on that video. And regardless of that, you know, yes, there is, you know, this TCB product is about a 60 to 65% winning rate. I know that from going through this in the history, but I know in the long run I win more than I lose. So although, you know, this is a double-edged sword, you lose some of those trades, you win some of those trades, but overall with proper risk management and money management, you can win more then you lose. Double checking my time. 10 minutes here I've been talking. I think that's enough for now. I'm very excited to have you taking a look at this product. I'm very excited to have you come in as a new Roundtable members here at Knights of the Roundtable. It's just huge value for you. I'm not trying to really. Anyway, I just wanted to come up here kind of like a fireside chat and just sit here and talk with you, just one-on-one. Me and you, friends, sitting in front of the computer. Hopefully you feel like I'm right there with you right now, because that's exactly the feeling I want you to have with me. I want you to feel that I'm right there with you, and I will help you as much as you need help. So that's kind of where we are. One of my traders, for the first time ever, had a winning month last month, in the month of January. So I think that was pretty awesome in itself, that they've had all these losing months as trading, and last month is the first month, not with, I mean, we're talking about other people that they've listened to and whatever and whatnot, but this last month was the first month that this particular gentleman had a winning account balance at the end of the month. So how exciting is that? You know, just for that particular individual, how exciting was that for him? Likewise, if you're out there looking to, you know, you're losing right now, you're part of that 90% category, you know, I'm here. I'm ready and willing to work with you and help you, and I hope to be able to get you over that hump so that you become that successful trader, and eventually you become like so many of my students that have went through with me on a one-on-one basis in this group type of environment, become where I'm the student and you're the teacher. Because I've honestly, I mean, I'm not the brightest tool in the shed. Trust me, I'm the first to admit it. I've trained some really smart people out there that just run circles around me when they throw their information and knowledge at me, and all the information that they have, it boggles my mind. But, you know, maybe I'm that catalyst that gets you to that next level so that you can move on. And if that is what I am for you, to help you go from where you are right now to where you want to be, well, then I hope that I can help you in that little way that I can to get you to the next stage. Other people out there are going to enjoy being around in the environment and want to stay with me, and I recognize and I appreciate that, and I look forward to just long-term relationship with you guys out there. So I understand that there's different people and different categories, and people fall into different. Other people are going through the course, they're going to not like it and they're going to drop out. That's just the nature of the beast, right? You know, but for the majority of people that go through this, they really enjoy it and the training that they have. Anyway, so that's all I really want to talk about today. Coming up on 13 minutes. I know I need to keep this to 15 minutes. Otherwise, YouTube will say, well, it's kind of cool that they put it out to 15 minutes, but I know I've talked your ear off here, and you probably want to do something else with the rest of your time to this evening or today or whenever you're watching this. So thanks for listening tonight. Go Steelers. We'll see you guys on Thursday on our next video content. We'll see you then. Bye now.